Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1897, the City Council held a meeting to make plans for streetlights. After concerns about the expense of electric lighting, the decision was made to use gas lamps, each costing $6 to install and $4 per year for fuel. This week in 1918, a carrier pigeon was found inside the home of Mr. H.N. Bucktrout. Metal bands engraved with numbers were found on the animal's legs and likely corresponded with messages sent during wartime. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.